Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharingitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I just wanted to show you the Thoughtful Moments dies and embossing folder. It's a new product in the 2024 mini catalog, and I just love it. So we'll start with the embossing folder. It embosses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different sentiments. I already embossed this Coastal Cabana piece of paper, and that's one way of using it. Another way of using it is you can also incorporate the dies. So what you do is you slip it in here, and you can hear it kind of snap in. Put the paper on this side, close it, run it through your stamping, embossing, and cutting machine. I'll be right back. And just like that, you not only get them embossed, but they're also cut out. Isn't that wonderful? 10 sentiments already done. Let's see. Then another way you can use it is using another item that is also available in the mini catalog, the Brayer. So let me get these out of the way. I'm going to add it to my stash. I have a stash of different color sentiments that I already inked and cut out. So I'll add those to that stash. And so with the Brayer, you take the embossing folder again and the dies, but first you're going to ink the left side, the side that has the Stampin' Up! Logo on it. And I love the Brayer and the fact that it has legs, so when you set it down, it's not going to ink up a bunch of whatever your paper or your surface or anything you happen to have. So I've inked it up. I don't know if you can see that right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and run it over the parts, making sure that I'm covering all the words and the letters. You can see the ink on there. I'm missing the T over here, so I'm going to do a little bit there. I think I got everything. Set it down, and it's not going to touch my paper here. Grab the dies again, snap it in. It'll snap in there. There we go. Grab the paper again. And I need to get another piece. Give me a second to cut one out. All you need is a 6x6 piece. And I just cut it with the trimmer. Set it on this side and then close it. And this time when I run it through, watch the magic. This time, you'll see, let me get the dies out first. Ta-da! So they're all, in essential, stamped, embossed, and cut. Very unique in terms of using for your sentiments that you have. And you have all 10 of them all at once. And this, I just have to run through the sink. The ink comes off super easy. Same with the Brayer, just rinse it under the faucet and it's that clean. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Remember, the Thoughtful Moments dies in the 2024 mini catalog. Have a great day. Bye.